Hi Toyboxers! Today I'm going to teach you guys how to assemble the Quad Mech. So first what you want to do is you want to find it on the Toybox catalog. Then you want to click purchase. If you don't have enough bolts, it'll ask you to check out with your credit card, Apple Pay, or other cool features that we've incorporated for you. Then let's start printing the Quad Mech. So once you've printed all the parts, you want to print the leg 4 times. This is the only part that you print multiple times, and I would probably recommend printing the leg pins. Even though you only need it to print once, I'd probably print it twice, because it takes only 6 minutes, and it's super good in case you need extra, because sometimes they come out not so good. So now we first need to put in this little piece right here to this, so just make sure it looks exactly like that image. So you don't want it upside down, because this is upside down. You want to make sure it looks exactly the same as the image. So put that right in, take one of these pins, push it right on in. Then take this, make sure it's facing this way, looking exactly like this. And you see that there's a clear hole that you want to put it right on through, so it's all white or whatever background it is, so it's super easy to push it right through. Then do the last one. It might be a little hard depending on which piece it is. It varies, but you'll get it. You might need adults' help, so if you do, just call them right on over. Then push this right through. Now you've done your leg pieces. Now make sure you do this 4 times and then resume the video and let's move on. So let's assemble the base. I have one leg showing assembled for you. So what you want to do is you want to grab a leg that's assembled, and then you want to grab a pin for the leg pins. Pop it right in, and then push it out through the other side. And make sure the hole is clear enough so it comes right out. And that's how you assemble the legs, and do that for all 4, and then let's move on. So you could see here that the pins are in 2 different ways, whichever works best for you. You could put it in this way, or you could put it in this way, whichever is easiest. Now let's move on to the gun assembly. Just put this Gatling gun right on into the base and just push down on it until it snaps right in place. Perfect. And then what you want to grab is, you want to grab one of these back parts of the guns and take this little pin and put it through. You might have to try which pin is which, because it might be the wrong pin. Like as I grabbed there is wrong, and just make sure it fits right into here, but you want to make sure that it's matching up with the holes. So once you see it matching up with the holes, push it in like that, and then take the other one. This is the longer one, I believe. Push it in. Once you get that in, then you move on to the other side. Do the same thing on the other side. Take this pin, the shorter one, for the corner side, and squeeze it so it fits in. And then once it fits in, match it up with the spot that it should go into so it's not hard. So I would just recommend probably pushing it through like that, and pushing it in until it snaps all the way down. Grab the bigger one, do the same as the other side. Push, squeeze, push down, make sure it hits the hole. Push, and that's it. Grab your leg assembly and your completed gun assembly. Put it in vertically like this, with the arrows heading towards the body like that. Then push this right on through like this. You might have to flip the side because it might be the wrong side that you're putting it through. Make sure it's lining up at the end like that and push it through. Quad Mech assembled. Nice job, Toyboxers.